Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to assign tasks in Wrike step by step. If you're working alone or with a team and want clear responsibility, yeah, this is exactly what you need. Alright, first, open the task you want to assign. You can click any task from your task list folder or project. Once the task is open, look for the assignee section. This is usually near the task title or in the task details panel. So, this is where assignment happens. Click the assignee field and choose a person from the list. You can assign the task to yourself, one teammate, or even multiple people if needed. Once assigned, the person's name will appear on the task. This makes it very clear who's responsible for completing it. To make assignments more effective, add a due date, click the calendar icon, and select a deadline. So the assignee knows exactly when the task is due. You can also add instructions in the task description or comments. This helps avoid back and forth messages later. If plans change, you can reassign the task anytime. Just click the assignee again and choose someone else. It's flexible, nothing is locked. And that's how to assign tasks in Wrike step by step. Clear assignments make teamwork smoother and save a lot of time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.